Hey there from Bugeye Guys. This is a Bugeye called L, which has had a massive amount of restoration. Sounds great. Give a listen. And this one is a 948 car. It handles speed bumps with grace right there. But this car is just, the guy that had it before us, I don't know if he spent a couple years. It took him a long time. And I'm just turning on the lights there, by the way, to make us more visible. Always a good habit. This is a 948 car with a stock a 948 car with a Ford 5-speed transmission. So you have a fully synchronized gearbox. Fifth gear, which is just a delightful thing. Even at a low speed, you can use fifth gear to just kind of mellow out and roll around town. So you don't have to think that I'm not going to drive my Bugeye on the highway, I don't need fifth gear. Actually, it's a delight even in town on sort of suburban roads like this one. Fifth gear is still something that I use all the time. Just because it makes it more pleasant. And that's fifth right there, maybe 30 miles an hour. The cars are very tractable, so it handles it nicely. Even with this little 948 engine, it's a nice feature. So now back into third gear, up to this stop sign. So I'm a big fan of these 5 speeds. We've done dozens of them on cars that have come through our building. And there you can see me engage first gear while still rolling, which is another really nice luxury of the fully synchronized gearbox. And one of the things that I can't overemphasize is that in a Bugeye Sprite you can have so much fun on what would otherwise be a very mundane drive. You don't have to go very fast, you don't need much to have a great time. Here's that fully synchronized first gear again. At too much of a hill for a second at that moment, I was just slowing down too much, so kind of roll into first gear. But you know, the joy of these cars is that on a 10-mile-an-hour turn you have as much fun as, supercar owners need to go 80 to have the same amount of fun. And so you have a lot less energy to worry about, a lot less risk and liability. You could just have a great time. Yes, every drive in a Bugeye Sprite is a blast. And that's what we have this week from Bugeye Guys.